Karlhard Papercraft. Hello. So in Blender 4.4, installing the extensions or add-ons or whatever you want to call them works a little bit different. You're still in the preferences here, but now you have here get extension and add-ons. And when you first open this, so here you still have the list of add-ons as before, but the Bool tool and export to paper model are not available here. So you need to go to get extensions. And then in the beginning, you actually have two buttons here. And then you need to make sure that you're connected to the internet. And then you should push the right button, which connects you to the internet. And then you will get to this place. And as you can see here, the Bool tool is already installed. Yeah. And so I will search for paper, and it makes sense to search because there are just really too many. And then I will hit install here. And after a while, it should start downloading. Okay, so it's already finished. And now you can see here, if you delete this, you will see here that installed, you have Bool tool and export paper model. And now they will also show up in the list here. You see here's export paper model. And here is the Bool tool. Yeah, and that's how you install extensions or add-ons or whatever you want to call them.